Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious brownies easily at home. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 cups of granulated sugar, 3/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, and 2 large eggs. Don't forget 1 cup of melted unsalted butter, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and a half teaspoon of salt. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit now. Now let's get mixing. In a large bowl, melt your 1 cup of butter. Stir in the 2 cups of sugar until it's smooth and fully combined. Next, whisk in the 2 eggs one at a time, ensuring each is fully incorporated before adding the next. Finally, add the 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Gently fold in your dry ingredients, the flour, cocoa powder, and salt, until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. It's time to bake. Pour your perfectly mixed brownie batter into a greased 8x8-inch baking pan. Spread it evenly with a spatula. Place the pan into your preheated 350 degree Fahrenheit oven. Bake for approximately 25 to 30 minutes. To check for doneness, insert a toothpick into the center. It should come out with moist crumbs, not wet batter. Remember, a slightly underbaked brownie is a fudgier brownie. The hardest part is waiting, but it's crucial. Allow your brownies to cool completely in the pan on a wire rack. This step is essential because warm brownies are much more likely to crumble when cut. Once fully cooled, use a sharp knife to cut them into perfect squares. Serve them as they are, or elevate your treat with a scoop of vanilla ice cream or a dollop of whipped cream. Enjoy your homemade, easy brownies.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.